Yeah, Dre. So, why you give me your perspective on this now? What you like? I'm gonna tell you what me like first. When it come on to females, when I tell you no lie, I prefer a woman younger than me. And why I prefer a woman younger than me? Because I love teach.
How young?
How young? I say 21. 21
No.
up. Yeah.
Okay.
21 up right now because
25? The 25?
25 up. 21.
21 up.
21 but I say between the age of 21 to 29.
21 to 20.
Yeah, I don't want a woman younger than,
Not
older than, no, I'm not going to 30s.
Okay. And spoil.
Nah, I'm tell you why. I don't know, for some reason I love teach. I say the younger woman, them not learn a lot of things yet. So me love to teach, you know. So a younger woman, I can teach her about life. I can teach her some things about sex. I can help her in her whatever her career choices. You know. So yeah, I find myself loving to teach. So I want to know.
Are you getting those?
Yeah, man, I get them, man, because I pursue them. I make sure, yeah.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
Me talk to all a woman still, you know. If them but them have to look me. If they look me, no problem. But if me, I go hunt a girl, I pursue a girl, the younger one them, and I tell you no lie. So I want to know your perspective, what you would like, the younger woman, the older woman.
For me, the older, for me.
Okay.
Yeah, for me.
Older than you?
No, not necessarily, no. No, sir. No.
No, just say older, give me your age from what age?
It can be 20, alright, so.
Because me said 21 to
the
27.
20, I see them one, they're fun for me.
Yeah.
Me can't, like, if you take it serious, because as you say, me don't have the patience to teach like that.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
And me can't talk to you like in a sense, and me have to correct about everything. No.
Right.
Me not like that.
Right.
So me prefer.
So give me an age group. Yeah.
Me don't say 30.
30 up.
Not 30 up, cause so up son. Brother,
30,
you see, let me tell you something.
30
You see,
30 to 35.
you see how they touch all 40. Brother, they get talking, brother. No. Yes, when they reach 40,
brother. Deal with the mother type, them. Because they might tell me,
yeah.
I treat me like he's a son.
Yeah.
Can't deal with that.
Brother, when they reach all 40, brother, it's like,
mother that.
Spoiled, brother.
Near menopause and everything.
And them a tell you what they no want. Yo, them no have no leverage. You tell you what they no want at that point, you know.
No filter.
But them a tell you what them no want.
Yes, man.
And them not settle for this, and them not settle for that.
When you realize that the whole woman them is like a dictatorship, bro.
Them must say them not ready fit. Them not settle for this and them not settle for that. See, I say, but where me you not settle for and you not have the leverage.
No leverage.
If you do that right now.
That's why a younger girl have more control.
Yeah, and them have leverage.
Yes.
Them have leverage. The younger ones do have leverage to dictate to you what they want or not want, to tell you the truth. But for me, I say 30 to 35 would be good for me.
Yeah. So she mature. So she's still young, but still mature then.
Or I'd say somebody that I am 3 to 5 years older than.
Right.
You see me, that would be good for me. 3 to 5 years older than would be good for me.
But you love a mature woman.
But me like when you have sense and you have your career going for you and you I prefer that than a younger girl where you know not established in a life yet nor nothing like that.
Here again why I fear the older woman.
That's where you come from doing it.
Yeah, man, I can tell you why I fear the older woman. I get experience. It's a by experience. The last woman who me there with was older than me, bro. She scared me because I say, if she do this to me, I say, how much man she do this to? A woman never suck your knee cup yet?
This?
Like, you know, woman kiss you all over your body. Yeah. Suck your knee cup.
No, never.
Well, I have a older woman, the last older woman I there with, bro. It's scary. Suck my knee cup, bro.
Yeah.
It feel good to that. It feel good.
Like keep on your knee cup type shit?
Bro, wickedest feeling. But all in a mad man say, God, how much other man she do this to? So all me I say, nah
Two
man.
experience.
Yeah. And then she should have bad me up more time and just say, yo, I go up on the road.
Just so.
I just say, babes, where you going? And she say, yo, don't ask me that question.
I like
So
that.
come back.
So
And she
you
just
see?
slammed the door, boom.
No, me no mind. Yeah. Do that to me. Cause me no mind that, no. Yeah, man, try them shit down with me. Yeah. Yes, what I talk about with all our women.
Yeah.
Will do certain shit
Yeah.
and want to get over it. And that's the problem with them.
Yeah.
As I say. You see me? And guess what? You see? Switch it round now. You see, if you talk to a woman that way there, it's a disrespect.
Alright.
If you say, yo, no, ask me no question, brother, yo, I go up on the road.
Boom. Big disrespect.
She go say you disrespect.
But to a
her now.
older woman, she say, I'm older than you, man. Come ask me where me I go.
Yeah.
She just gone
Boy,
to
yo.
business. Boy, up.
Well, me know nobody. No man can boy me up regardless of how old you want to be.
Yeah.
No, me are the man. Deal me like the man. So, you know, once you do that, everything good.
Yeah, man.
But them old girl, yeah, brother. I would not call no old still, no, but me I talk about like 38, 40, 38, 39. You no need to stop. Relax. Yeah, man. Nobody with the bad up and deal, man, with respect.
Respect, you get respect.
And Mark, you know, understand, you know, you know, career, you make no money, you have no own car, you know, buy your house already and whatever.
That's the thing again.
But fine.
Okay, see the same one I tell you.
She have her things.
She have a big job.
Me-
She have a big position.
Yeah, that's
at her
them
workplace.
problem.
So she used to be in the boss.
They want to be the man then.
Office.
You want to be the man then. Go on be the man.
She
then.
want to be the man of the relationship.
Yeah, go on. You cannot be the man.
So when I used to that. Yeah, man. Serious.
Phone and fix your pants. The senior day.
That's why I have a phone there.
The phone eye. Carry on.
Yeah, man. So, no, man. Me prefer, as I said, I prefer the younger female them because I'm not telling a lie. I have more control over the relationship. As I said, that woman there.
Most men, and that is why most men will take on
A younger woman and
established man.
yeah.
Even will take on, or even why woman always asks why man cheat.
Yeah.
But cheat with a younger woman. These are the things, you know.
Can get little control out of the house.
Tell her, brother,
In the house, in no
you
talk.
me, and you want to tell me if you do this and do that. Zin?
Yeah,
that
man.
Man no want, and guess what? The reason why some man do that too and just stay with them wife is because you remember our wife and we have been with you all long. So we now go and you're the mother of kids.
Yeah.
But bro, as you say, men need control.
Control. Yeah, we need a part of being a man. We want to know so we're in control.
Yeah, we in control.
You know, so
Last night, me have that conversation there with somebody.
Yeah.
One girl I say, yo, man with money free that woman are independent. No.
no, I know that
I'm
we're
not
free.
say we're free that woman with independent. Me I tell her, same thing. Me I say to her, I say, Mom, yo, she don't want a man control. And me I say, but that's how we stay as men.
Yeah,
We
that's
need
how we stay.
control.
We need control, man.
So you just have to just ease yourself and humble and relax.
True.
Either money or money not, man just need control, bro. And God give you the control. So who is you as woman to take it from with? And that's what they then been trying to do from creation.
So-
No
so-
one Eve, she never go down that topic, they would do more.
And to the woman them, you know, 'cause you have a lot of strong women. It's not that we don't like strong women, you know, not being independent and strong. But we have to understand when you're there with a man, make a man be a man.
Simple.
Don't take him balls from him and you try to keep the balls and try to give him the pussy. That not gonna work.
not
As
gonna
simple
work.
as that.
It's just that simple, brother.
You know?
Like, we can't reverse the thing and we understand and not try to make no money and whatever females. We are all for it. Woman empowerment, this, that and the third. Whatever. Just make man be man.
No try to
That
take
a
our
mash up
balls.
America too.
Yeah, man, no try to take our balls, man.
That a mash up even America right now, bro.
Right now.
There's a gender like a war. And it's not necessary, you know.
It's not necessary. Just be the woman, play a role. Just play a role. You know, so we have a good rap today. On the first episode, man, I tell you no lie, Dre. A good little rap we have. You know.
Again, man, next week again.
What you think? And right now we have a plug. Because you're also an entrepreneur. So tell me a little about your business. Let the people them know.
Yeah, man, own a Touch It All collection, right?
You have it on right
Print
now.
yeah, man, one of my t-shirt, them this.
And you make them.
Me make them.
So tell me a little about
Buy the shirt, them and we print and do the production.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We do the graphics, everything. Yeah.
Or you even get into the t-shirt thing.
You know, so big woman thing is like, brother, me like it long time, I swear.
Okay.
Mother used to do it, you know.
Oh,
she used to
okay.
screen printing.
Oh, I'm going
See?
to get it from then.
It come does, and then it's not like she trained me in it, you know.
Yeah, you just watch
It's just, bro, I'm not even that. It just, you know, because she did just
Natural.
stop it.
Okay,
You see? She did
Yeah.
stop it and she forget about that long time.
yeah,
But it's just a part of me.
right.
And I love it more than my other profession.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Me
man.
not lie, me not tell a lie. But yeah, so you can find it, Touch It Our Collection. I have it on IG. I have a TikTok page as well. Just type in Touch It Our _ collection on IG.
All platforms.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just touch it. Once you type Touch It Our Collection, you can find
spell
it.
it for them.
TOUCHDI, not V. DITAR. That is it.
Talk about some of the basics, 3 things that you do. So you do screen print, what else you do? Talk.
Yeah, talk
No,
about the
no, that are printed
Oh,
now.
then talk
Right.
about, give 3 things what Touch It Our is.
Oh, so we produce. By the way, we also produce. We have T-shirts,
Yeah,
sweaters,
yeah.
hats,
Hats.
yeah,
Caps.
caps.
Yeah.
We,
So
and
you
bucket hat too.
So you do like weddings too, like when the bride party need shirts, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
But alright, so but that's a different business now.
Okay.
That a Heinz Graphics over there, so the Touch It Our Collection is a different thing. It's a
Okay.
clothing brand in itself.
Oh, I get
You understand?
I get you.
Yeah. So the Touch It Our Collection is a whole collection in itself. When we do the
Right.
T-shirt, them, the sweater, them, the hat, them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They pull over them type of something there.
Right.
Yeah.
So are you know I want to be an entrepreneur, what advice would I give?
It's not a, don't think of it as a easy road. You can't approach it thinking say it's a overnight thing or that. I think that is one of the greatest thing too. You have to be patient. You have to be consistent and also learn from the people before you do your research on whatever you do. Yeah? Make
Yeah.
sure say you tap into watch other people who big in the industry.
Right.
You know what I mean? And
Watch
follow for
videos.
them pattern. Yes.
Watch videos.
Watch videos. Yeah, man. Do your research. Learn more about it.
Don't be afraid to look for another
No.
man thing where he might do and
Yes.
somebody bigger.
Learn from your competitors.
Right.
You know what? So enough man not talk about that, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe look on Pepsi and Coke. Zin, them
learn
are
from
rivals,
them
but them
one
learn from
another.
You have to pay attention to your competitors
So
too.
youths don't be afraid for
Yeah.
watch your competitor.
Yeah, and take them ideas too. No business with that.